Hey YouTube, let's do Sasami the Greatest. You're the jerk who wants to go. Let me on the outside. Breakup song. I think she should have called this song The Biggest Jerk of All. The biggest jerk of all for breaking up with me. Carry you like a ball and chain. Like a drum. Guitar solo. Something like that. Okay, so let's learn to play this song. You could play, they're playing, I hear like, you could play that. Or you could just go G, A. G is just like a pickup note. You do it real quickly. So when you're saying baby, that's how long the G lasts. Back to G. A to G is the verse. You could do could throw a D in there. And at the end, they go. They go D, G, and that's how they get into the next part of the song, which is F sharp power chord, G, D. And then they do that same thing. But actually what they do is G, A, D, they're the greatest love of all. The greatest love of all. And then, so that's the chorus. And then the last part is that little around like a ball and chain. So you stay on the A for a while. This is that bridge. Do a quick D to G. Again, the D is just like a pickup note or a passing note. If you find it difficult to go that quickly, just leave the D out and go. Like a chain. Just leave the D out if you have to. All right, and then I was playing in the E minor pentatonic. At the 7th fret. I don't know what they're playing exactly, but something. I think they're using some open strings because E minor kind of goes along with the guitar's tuning. Like the bottom, like these 3 open strings make an E minor chord. So basically you can play any of these strings open. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.